Hello, my name is Arnold Zuluaga. I'm going to keep talking about the company where I work at. Apix, a logistic operator company dedicated to transportation, storage of goods in controlled temperatures and ambient temperature warehouse, as well as in the management and of container yards. As it was said on the last evidence, a problem found by our client was a lot disorder. There is not organized logistic and it takes a long time for delivery and dispatch. This was an opinion someone has about used more than 3 years ago. As a company, we had to develop a, a plan to offer a better service for those who trust in our work as business. Our strategy was based on the next item. By process in the packaging area, design, optimized routes, foresee that there may be situations that might impact on the play time. How did the last item help you? Well, each one of them had a specific function in order to develop a better service. So, define process in the packaging area, streamline this process and deliver all package in time before delivery people leave. Design optimized route. The correct design of these routes save a lot of time and allows to offer an optimal service. Foresee that there may be situations that might impact on the stipulated times. Lead with anticipation. There is always a big a percentage that an unfortunate situation happens. When we plan this, we say to change, we help you in a future to develop our company and guide to an excellent performance. And probably after all this, we will be managing one of the most important company when we talk about logistics in the country. Mm, Thank you. Good night.